If you've been thinking about getting a robot vacuum, but you're not sure whether an affordable model can actually keep up with daily cleaning, this one may surprise you. Quietly reliable, easy to live with, and designed for real homes, the Irobot Roomba 694 continues to be one of the most practical choices in its category. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today we're taking a closer look at the Irobot Roomba 694, a Wi-Fi connected robot vacuum designed for pet hair, carpets, and hard floors, with smart cleaning recommendations and voice assistant support built in. If you want less time spent vacuuming without moving into premium flagship pricing, this is a product worth understanding. And if you'd like to check current pricing or availability, the purchase link is in the description below. Reason 1. Smart cleaning that actually fits daily life. What makes the Roomba 694 stand out is how approachable it feels for everyday use. Through the iRobot Home app, the vacuum learns your cleaning habits and can recommend schedules based on your routine. Instead of constantly thinking about when to vacuum, the system quietly works in the background. For busy households, pet owners, or anyone balancing work and home responsibilities, that convenience becomes surprisingly valuable over time. Reason 2. Reliable cleaning performance across different floor types. The Roomba 694 uses a 3-stage cleaning system combined with dual multi-surface brushes that automatically adjust between carpets and hard floors. In practical use, that means it handles dust, crumbs, pet hair, and daily debris without requiring constant attention. The edge sweeping brush also helps clean corners more effectively than many entry-level robot vacuums. It's not trying to replace a deep cleaning upright vacuum entirely, but for maintaining a consistently cleaner home, it performs with impressive consistency. Reason 3. Dirt detection adds confidence. One feature that genuinely improves the ownership experience is iRobot's Dirt Detect technology. The vacuum identifies dirtier areas and spends more time cleaning them automatically. Instead of simply moving randomly through a room, it pays attention to where cleaning is needed most. Small details like this are why the Roomba brand continues to hold long-term trust in the robot vacuum category. Reason 4. Easy navigation without unnecessary complexity. The advanced onboard sensors allow the Roomba 694 to move around furniture, along walls, and under beds with minimal intervention. Cliff Detect technology also helps prevent falls near stairs. For first-time robot vacuum buyers, simplicity matters, and this model keeps setup and operation refreshingly straightforward. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, it delivers a user experience that feels dependable rather than overly complicated. Reason 5. Self-charging convenience makes it feel truly automated. With up to 90 minutes of runtime, the Roomba 694 can cover most apartments and medium-sized homes comfortably before returning to its charging dock automatically. That self-managing behavior is one of the biggest reasons people continue using robot vacuums long after the novelty wears off. It quietly becomes part of your routine. Final verdict. The Roomba 694 isn't the most advanced robot vacuum on the market, and it doesn't include premium mapping technology found in higher-end models. But that's also part of its appeal. It focuses on reliability, ease of use, and consistent day-to-day cleaning without overcomplicating the experience. For pet owners, busy professionals, smaller families, or anyone entering the robot vacuum category for the first time, this remains one of the safest and most balanced choices available. If you want a cleaner home with less effort and a product from a brand with years of real-world trust behind it, the Roomba 694 makes a strong case for itself. Take a closer look through the link in the description, compare it with your needs, and choose with confidence.